car have a buildup of dirt, oxidation, UV rays, and everything that comes after a few years of driving? In other words, do you have yellowed, hazy headlights? If so, you have a safety hazard on your hands with reduced visibility. Thankfully, you don't have to replace a hazy headlight. You can clean them in a bunch of different ways. You can choose either a DIY cleaning method or professional headlight restoration. If you want to do it yourself, you can usually restore a headlight and make it like new with some auto glass cleaner, soap, water, and elbow grease. In fact, we have a full video on that method in the description below. Here's the thing. Restoring your headlights the DIY way won't have a long-lasting effect. You want a professional, like a glass doctor, to restore your headlights for a few good reasons. Number one is that we professionally buff and polish the headlights. But most importantly is the professional's care when applying the watertight seal around your headlight. This protects the acrylic and prevents hazing from returning for a year or more rather than maybe a month the DIY way. The sealer must be a high-quality product to work well, which is why the professional service is superior to DIY headlight restoration kits. Want to clean your headlights yourself? Watch the next video. If you want us to give it a go, head into the description and make an appointment with your local glass doctor.